it's really hard to get people's attention nowadays. And that's something that we really have to be cognizant of. We have to plan for it in the content that we build. Things have changed for me as an education professional so much, in the almost 2 decades that I've been doing this now, because when I first started out, I had a little bit more of your attention span. Now I'm not just competing with whatever's on the LMS or whatever training content exists in our vertical or our space. I'm competing with every single piece of content on your phone. I'm competing with every single ping that's coming into your desk, off your laptop, off your phone while I'm trying to communicate a value-added educational message to you. And because of that, we have to raise our production capability and our delivery capability. Pictory has helped us so much in that regard. We've talked about a couple of the metrics here. I want them to understand, I want them to quote, I want them to sell. But you mentioned returning to the train, right? That's actually a good metric for us to understand the quality of what we're building and how the user is interpreting the value of the training. And right now, what we have within our LMS, partnering with Pictory as being, the main engine building that content out, is we have an 87% return rate to our platform quarter over quarter.